Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 14th of November, 2018. It's going to be a cold one out there. The high temperature today is still below freezing and it's 31 degrees. Low temperature tonight of 24 degrees. There is a 10% chance of snow overnight. Our PPIS expectation, we've talked about being safe. Now we're going to focus on being responsible in the cafeteria. Make sure that you're eating your own food. Most of our food comes by way of a federal grant. And they are very particular about who eats what, so you need to make sure that you're eating your own food. Make sure that you're cleaning up your own table and floor. Make sure that Mr. Bob or Mr. Atherton or Miss Starr, whoever it is that's cleaning up that day, you give them as little work as possible. They're fine people, and we want to make sure that we don't give them more work. When you're in line, make sure you're maintaining a voice level of a 2. While you're sitting at your table, you can have a voice level, in line, voice level 1. But while you're sitting at your table, you can have a voice level of a 2. Remember to always be respectful while in the cafeteria as well. Just a reminder that we do have our conferences this week, so the rest of the week is half days. And a reminder that Miss Jo is doing our half day lunches just a little bit different right now, coming around and making sure that everybody gets their names checked off that received lunch. Speaking of lunch, bag lunch today, bag lunch tomorrow, bag lunch Thursday, bag lunch Friday. Special announcement, still continuing our war on grumbling. And then also Miss Geeky's groups today, unfortunately, are canceled. And then we also have CAW currently going on. So if you have a costume that you would like to donate here at the STEAM Academy of Woodrow Wilson, you can do that. Or you can take it over to the Raven Cafe and turn it in there as well. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Before we wrap today's announcements, thank you for standing for the pledge. We have a few of the war on grumbling thankful things here. So this one is from LaStephanie. She said that she is thankful for her mom and for her sister, her brother, food, and many others, including the internet. Faith Harris says that she is thankful for Miss H for always being there for her and being so sweet. Jamal Walden said that he is thankful for his home and for a holiday. Jeremiah Brown says that he is thankful for a life. Rodney says that he is thankful for his mom and Miss Hazley and for Mr. Kramer. And then Olivia from Miss Hall's class said that she is thankful for our principal and her fabulous friends and her teacher. So we want to thank everybody for coming in and filling those out yesterday, over the last couple days actually. So just thank you guys for doing that. I'm very thankful for each and every single one of you as well. Have a fantastic day. Remember, we're dismissing at 11:58. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.